Hey everyone! If your Cash App card isn't unlocking, here are two easy ways to fix it. First, open your Cash App and tap the Cash Card icon. It's the second icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you're in, you should see an option that says Unlock Card, and that should unlock your card right away. If it still doesn't work, don't worry, go back to the main screen and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Support. In the search bar, type Unlock Card and you'll see an article pop up. Tap on it and it will take you straight to the page where you can unlock your card. And that's it. That's how to fix Cash App card not unlocking. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.